Hello students, welcome to our English classes for class 6. We are back with grammar and the chapter is tenses, module 2. So dear students, in our earlier video, we have learned about present perfect tense. In our this video, we are going to start with the last form of present perfect continuous, means last form of present tense, that is present perfect continuous tense, and then past, all the four forms. So let us start with present perfect continuous tense. So students, if you will see the slide, you will get the structure at the very first. The subject plus has or have plus been plus verb fourth form plus object complement plus since or for plus time. If you will see the example, so the example one is Sarla has been writing essay for 2 hours. If you will see example B, then we have written children have been watching TV since morning. So again, children is in plural form. That's why we have used here have been watching. So all the things are on the basis of its structure. Let us see second one, that is your negative form. Subject plus has, have plus not plus been plus verb fourth form plus object complement plus since, for plus time. So this is very easy students, only we have to use not here because this is negative structure. Just see the example. We have not been playing football for 2 hours. Second example, Ramesh has not been singing a song for 1 hour. Come to third one, has, have, that means we are starting with has, have, that means this is the interrogative form. Has, have plus subject plus been plus verb fourth form plus object or complement plus since or for plus time. So if you will come here, if you will see the examples, we have used the helping verb have, has at the very first form of that means we have used it as subject, that is interrogative form. Have they been enjoying in pool since last month? Question mark. This is a question form. Next one, has it been raining since morning? Again singular plural but in interrogative way. Let us know something more about this. We use verb fourth form, verb first plus ing in present perfect continuous tense. Has singular subject, as I have told you. Have plural subject. For is used to show period of time. Example, for 2 hours, for 3 days, for some time, for a long time, etc. Since is used to show point of time. Example, since 2 o'clock, since morning, since Monday, since 2010, etc. Use of present perfect continuous tense to describe for an action which started in past time and still continues. Example 1. John has been attending music class since childhood. Example 2. Students have been playing in the field for some time. So let us start past tense. Past tense, first part, simple past tense. Structure, subject plus verb second form plus object or complement. Example 1. Priya wrote a letter. Example 2. Student listen the new songs. So this was the positive form. Now come to the negative one. Subject plus did plus not plus verb first plus object or complement. If you will see the example, we did not sing a song. Next example, Ramesh did not sing a song. Let us come to the interrogative. Did plus subject plus verb first form plus object or complement plus question mark. Example 1. Did they enjoy in the rainy day? Next example. Why did he not attend school regularly? Next important point. Verb second form is used in affirmative sentence while verb first form is used in negative and interrogative sentence. Did helping verb is used in negative and interrogative sentences. Use of simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to express a habitual action in past time. Example, Mohit always went for a walk in the morning. Example 2, Rohan used to complete his work on time. Next part, an action which happened in the past time. Example, Mr. Rao taught me English. My father went to Delhi yesterday. Next part is past continuous tense. Structure. Subject plus was, were, plus verb fourth form, plus object, complement. Example 1. He was writing a letter. Example 2. They were listening the new songs. Come to next. Subject plus was, were, plus not, plus verb fourth form, plus object or complement. If you will see the example, we are talking about negative. So the negative word has been used here. We are not singing a song. I was not singing a song. Next come to interrogative level. Was or were plus subject plus verb fourth form plus object or complement or and question mark. Example E. Were they enjoying in the rainy day? Next, was he attending school regularly? Now the important points. We use verb fourth form, verb 1 plus ing in past continuous tense. So students, was is used with I plus singular subject, whereas were is used with plural subject. Now use of past continuous tense to describe an action in progress in past time. Example 1. The girls were singing a song. Example 2. What were you writing those days? Past perfect tense. Structure. Subject plus had plus verb third form plus object or complement. Example A. He had written a letter. Example B. They had listened the new song. Second one. Subject plus had plus not plus verb third plus object or complement. Example, we had not sung a song. Next, Ramesh had not sung a song. Next is interrogative. So had plus subject plus verb third plus object or complement and question mark. This is your structure of interrogative form. Example, had they enjoyed rainy day? Had he finished his project work? The student, if you will see, verb third form is used in past perfect tense. Had is used with singular subject or plural subject. Use of past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to express for an action that had been completed in past time. Example, I had finished my project. Next, Rohan had worked in this school for 5 years. So our last is past perfect continuous tense. Structure, subject plus had plus been plus verb fourth form plus object or complement plus since or for plus time. Example, he had been writing a letter for an hour. Next, they had been listening the new songs since morning. Second, our negative form, subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb fourth plus object complement since or for plus time. Let us see the examples. We had not been singing a song for 2 hours. Ramesh had not been singing a song since morning. Now come to interrogative structure. Had plus subject plus been plus verb fourth form plus object complement plus since for plus time and question mark. Examples, had it been raining since yesterday? Had he been finishing his project work since July? Students, verb fourth form, that means verb first plus ing, is used in past perfect continuous tense. Had been is used as singular subject or plural subject. Uses of past perfect continuous tense to describe for an action which started in past time and was continued in past time. Example 1. John had been attending music class since childhood. Students had been playing in the field for 2 hours. Now students, let me check what you have learned today. Question 1. Sarita has been dash a story since morning. Option 1 reads. Option 2 have read. Option 3 reading. And option 4 read. Your correct answer is option 3 reading. Question 2. Neetu dash to visit the zoo yesterday. Option 1 go. Option 2 went. Option 3 gone. And option 4 going. Your correct answer is option 2 went. Question 3. They were dash a song in a party. Option 1 sing. Option 2 sings. Option 3 singing. And option 4 sang. Your correct answer is option 3 singing. Question 4. She had dash in Delhi for 8 years. Option 1 lived. Option 2 leave. Option 3 leaves. And option 4 living. The correct answer is option 1 lived. Practice makes perfect. Students, now it's practice time. Your practice questions are given on the slide. Fill in the blanks with suitable form of verb given in the brackets. Second, do the exercise A, N and P from your new grammar plus. I hope students you will do the work correctly. Thank you. See you soon in our next video.